How to fix and solve WeChat app restricted account. So if you want to fix and solve WeChat app restricted account, then what you need to do is first, the easiest solution is to contact WeChat customer support and explain the situation and appeal the restriction. Now, providing any support documentation if necessary. Most commonly, this involves verifying your identity through your linked phone number and ensuring you haven't violated WeChat's terms of service by engaging in activities like sending spam, inappropriate content, or using third-party plugins. Now, if you want to go to the contact support team, what you want to do is open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and log in to your WeChat. However, if you're not being able to log into your WeChat, or if you're not being able to access the WeChat, then what you could do is go to the website and you want to type in WeChat support, or you can just simply type in restricted account support. Once you go to the site, you'll be able to find the sort of information. Now, if you scroll down a bit, then you will find an option of how do I unblock my account. So you just need to simply scroll down and you'll find help.wechat.com, and under that you will have how do I unblock my account or how do I unlock my account. You need to just simply tap on the link that appears right over here and you'll be able to see all of these statements. So what you could do is either send a feedback. For that, you could just simply tap on the search box and type in what side of issue that you're facing. And they'll be providing you the list of information on how or what you have to do. And they'll also be providing you with the contact information if you have supported the customer support. However, sometimes by following alternative steps, you could also try fixing your issue. So such alternative steps include updating your app. For that, you need to open up your Play Store, go with search, and under search, you need to search for WeChat. After searching for your WeChat, now if you have any updates on your WeChat, you need to just simply go and update it. After updating, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is just simply go back, open up your settings. From the settings, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with apps. From apps, you need to go with manage apps and then go with the search and search for WeChat. Once you've searched, just tap on WeChat application. And then you need to go with clear data, which will be in the bottom, and then clear the cache of the WeChat application. Once you do that, just go and restart your device and your problem will be fixed. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.